Check this out, guys. I took the Subaru, the LOLcar. It's got 264,000 miles on it. We just rolled 264 about 5 miles down the road on the way home. But this car is the Subaru Crosstrek, 264,000 miles on it. And we just drove it 20 hours with all the warning lights on the dash, lit up like a Christmas tree. Before we did that, went to the car dealership, the Subaru dealership in Memphis, and asked them to look at it. And they hooked it up and charged me $110 to plug their little thing in here. The guy plugged his little thing in.
Good morning, welcome to Jim Care Subaru. This is Chase. I'll be going over the vehicle today. Scans your vehicle for codes. They all lead back. Got a lot of water in here and it's made its way into this connector. It's got corrosion coming out of it at the bottom. If you have any questions, your advisor will be with you shortly. Thank you.
Right in there. I popped this little piece of trim off, pop this little piece of trim off, and you got these electrical hookups here, right here. So for some reason the Subaru is leaking water. I gotta figure that out, why it's leaking, where it's leaking water at. I mean, it does have a few holes here, like, you know, I mean, we're not doing too well here as far as like the body and hole issues going, but it's got a solid windshield right now and no holes in the roof that I'm aware of. It does have this door issue going on here where this hinge ripped out, so maybe water is getting in through here and then running down this. I don't know, but the water didn't get into there because it ran into there. This was real wet carpet here, and for some reason they put this carpet right up against this wiring harness with no protection. So I take it to the dealership and they're like, it's bad, it's gonna cost you $10,000 or more because we got to change out every wiring harness in the car. Okay, so I'm like, well, maybe I should get a new vehicle. That sounds ridiculous, but I'll take their word for it. I mean, we're going to a Subaru dealership. I just pay them $110 of good money to fix my vehicle or tell me what's wrong with it, actually, and then fix it. So I'm like, well, maybe I should put that money into a new vehicle. So I look at a couple of cars, look at an Outback, $24,000 for a 2022 Outback, I think it was, with like 27,000 miles around it or something like that. Real nice. I was like, I could do an Outback. I'll give you 20 grand for it. I know it was a lowball offer. Not even lowball, I say mid-ball, but I'll give you 20 grand for it. And the guy's like, nah, he wouldn't do it. I'm like, all right, I'm out. Give me the piece of shit. We're rolling 20 hours home. We're going to figure this out ourselves. We're rolling this piece of shit home. 20 hours. Woo! We're not giving up on LOLcar. On the way home, all kinds of more lights are going up. Oh, and they told me at the Subaru dealership in Memphis that I've got the green death, is what they called it. The green death, and it's going to cost me $10,000. Every wiring harness in this damn vehicle. I'm like, no way, you guys are high. Get close to home, lights start going off. I'm like, this thing's drying out, and we're going to fix this problem. So I get home, and here's what we did. Went down in here, and now you can see that green corrosion. There it is, right there. You see that? I haven't even cleaned it out yet. All I did was jiggle this little harness and tap that area and scrape at that corrosion just a little bit. And now, the Subaru no longer has all those errors that we drove 1,500 miles with. Just like that. Well, this is there because we got some issues with the mirrors here. It's been through a few hailstorms, but all those errors are gone. $10,000, and they almost made me make this beauty go away. Are you kidding me? We're back in business. I have been so loyal to the Subaru brand, promoting the shit out of Subaru for storm chasing. I don't know how many people have Crosstreks. now in the storm chasing community, there's got to be at least one other person that's gotten a Subaru Crosstrek because of my love for the Crosstrek and its versatility as a storm chasing vehicle. And those Subaru guys tried to screw me over. $10,000 or buy a new vehicle. And still, I am like a storm chaser, not just me. A storm chaser, especially one that chases with their dog, is a textbook Subaru driver, and they don't want to sponsor me. What's up with that? Come on, Subaru. Where's the sponsorship? Let's go. Look at, people cannot stop looking at this car. That man has eyes all over that Subaru.